Hello my crypto friends, welcome to my channel. This is your boy DeFi again, and I would like to thank you for you guys who are subscribing to my channel and who are liking my videos, who are commenting on my videos. I really appreciate. And in this short video, I just want to show you guys how I'm making now 11,491 Tron from just one stake. That's about $300 from just one stake. I'm gonna use the stake that I put on day 2, because on day 1 we just bought the tokens, and then on day 2 we put those tokens into stakes, and in day 3 they started earning. So this is the stake I'm going to use. It started earning, as you can see. It started earning on day number 3. I put it for 10 days and it's gonna end on day 13. So we are on day number 8 today. It's ending on day number 13. So I'm going to use only this stake to show you guys. And yesterday I did a video. For those of you who missed my video, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. You'll be able to see that video. Yesterday I showed you guys how I earned 376% ROI in just 5 days from this stake only. So now I just want to break it down in just a day. That's why we're here. So if we are to look at that video yesterday, this is the video I made. DFI Staking Platform, DSP, 376% ROI in 5 days staking DSP tokens. So as you can see here, we are here. If I'm to expand it a bit, this is where we are. We were yesterday, and this is where we are today. So I'm going to use these values to see the difference. So if I'm to plug my calculator here, I'm going to use this value minus the one that we had yesterday. So this is 70.759. It is in K, so I'm going to just put a comma here. 7759.4, that is Tron, minus what we had yesterday. Let me first change here a bit so that we can see it properly. This is 592683. I hope I remember it. So my calculator, so minus 59268.3. Yeah, that's it. So the difference is 11,491 Tron. Now those are the dividends I get every day from just one stake that I started earning on day number 3. So guys, if we are to change this into dollars, let us see. Oh, events here, I already changed it. So it is around $304 US in just a single day, guys. All this is coming from just one stake in DSP token, guys. So for those of you who are not yet here, just bring your Tron here. You stake it for the number of days that you want, and remember, the more days that you stake the tokens, the more dividends that you get. And another thing also that I want to look at here today is the interest, bonus rewards, and the current value. Let me explain that also. You can see that now for every 5 days that you do a stake, you'll get bonus day rewards. So these are the rewards I've got, which is 31. And also the interest, your tokens, they earn interest over time. So that's why it is recommended you stake for some good time. So you can see this is day number 6 since this started earning, because it started on May number 3 and we are on day number 8 right now. So it has earned me interest of 273 tokens. So it is appreciating in value, and if you add this to this, you will be able to get that. So now this is the current value of my tokens that I bought that started earning on day number 3. So you can see that doesn't fall in value, that just increases in value, and you also get some bonus day rewards here. So and also this thing, it just keeps growing and growing, because I think people are seeing the value of it, the massive dividends it is giving. So if we look at now day number 7, it closed in 17.112 million Tron that came into the contract. You can see from where it started with just 4 million. We had the 5 million on day number 3, day number 4, 9.7 million, day number 5, 14 million, day number 6, 15 million, and day number 7, it has closed on 17.112 million. So where do you think it will close on day number 8? So that's just a question we are asking ourselves, but I think it will close at a figure which is higher than this, because we have seen massive exodus from T2X. It is also a staking platform, and those guys are coming in here because the dividends are massive here. And we are also seeing very many people who missed out on T2X who have come into this platform. So there is also the Telegram channel here, guys. You can follow whatever is happening in the Telegram channel here, and there is a link to the channel just at the bottom here. As you can see, this is Telegram, this is Twitter, or you can go on the front page. Also, those links are there. They are here, these two big buttons, and also at the bottom here. So you can follow up with what's happening here. These guys here, you can ask them a question. Actually, they are interactive. You can go there and see. Oh, this nice logo. Oh, let me download it. Might use it sometime. So this is the channel, guys, and you can also see the value. You can see the value of your tokens. If I'm to go to my stakes here, you use just swap here. I'm going to use this. I'm referring to this first one. So my shares, I staked tokens worth this 9,828. If we are to change this into Tron, remember, let me go to just swap. It is 98. Oh, let me first use the amount of Tron that I use. Remember, I explained all that in this video that I shot yesterday. I started with 15,750. So if I'm to change that Tron, it is 15,750 into DSP. Now here, let us go here. Let me search for it. DSP. Now we are having different DSPs here. So you just have to see the one that is connected to your wallet. Can't see it here, but it is this one that is Q7. But the value should also appear here. Let me refresh a bit and see. Okay, so it is 15,750 DSP. As you can see, it has to show here. I don't know why it is not showing, but I know this is the contract here. Yeah, this is the contract, but I don't know why. So now let me explain this, guys. So you can see that I started with 15,000 Tron. Okay? I started this 15,000 Tron, and I bought tokens worth 9,828. But now, if you are to buy the Tron, to buy the tokens using this same amount today, you only be given 2,229. So you can see how the DSP has increased in value. So you see how urgent it is to get it now, and you can see here that 7.49 TRX per DSP. So you'll use this amount to buy a DSP at this very moment. So if we are to change from now let us change from DSP. Let's change from DSP to Tron. Yeah, it is already there. From DSP to amount to Tron. The same value, let us use the same value, 9828. 9828. This is DSP in Tron. So you can see now that the DSP that I bought on day one are equivalent to 43,090 Tron at this moment. Remember, I only put in 15,750. So you can see how it has increased in value, which is good for me. So guys, I think that's all I have for today in this video. I just wanted to show you how I'm making 11,491 Tron in just a day, and how the contract has shot to 17 million. So I also have some stakes to collect here. Let me first go to stakes. I have this is referral. See some referrals. So if I'm to go to the auction here, I'm gonna collect this. It pops my wallet, so it says exit lobby. So it has gone into my stakes here, and I'm going to start staking for some good time. Now, like this one, let me put it for 30 days. It is 500 Tron, no 500 DSP, 584. Let me put it for 30 days. So I'm going to start monitoring this also and see the rewards that it will give me. So I accept in my wallet. So it is staked for 30 days. So it will start earning from day number 9. And when this timer goes down, it will start earning like how these ones have started earning. So that's all I had, guys. I'll have to see you in another video.